A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are one of the most important parts of speech in English because they help us identify and talk about things. Types of nouns. 1. Proper noun. 2. Common noun. 3. Concrete noun. 4. Abstract noun. 5. Countable noun. 6. Uncountable noun. 7. Collective noun. 8. Compound noun. 9. Possessive noun. 10. Gerund, verbal noun. 1. Proper noun. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Examples: people, Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, Taylor Swift. Places: New York, India, Eiffel Tower. Brands: Apple, Toyota, Nike. 2. Common noun. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, or thing. It does not start with a capital letter unless it begins a sentence. Examples: people, teacher, doctor, artist. Places: city, school, park. Things: car, book, phone. 3. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is something that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. Examples: dog can be seen and touched. Music can be heard. Perfume can be smelled. Pizza can be tasted. 4. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is something that cannot be seen or touched because it refers to ideas, emotions, or qualities. Examples: love, happiness, bravery, freedom, anger. 5. Countable noun. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted. It has both singular and plural forms. Examples: 1 apple, 2 apples. A book, many books. A chair, 5 chairs. 6. Uncountable noun. An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted. It usually refers to liquids, gases, or abstract ideas. Examples: water, rice, sugar, air, knowledge. 7. Collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. Examples: a flock of birds, a team of players, a bunch of grapes. 9. Possessive noun. A possessive noun shows ownership or possession. It is usually formed by adding an apostrophe, s, or just an apostrophe, if the noun is plural. Examples: the boy's hat, hat belongs to the boy. The teacher's lounge, lounge belongs to the teachers. 10. Gerund, verbal noun. A gerund is a noun formed from a verb by adding ing. It functions as a noun in a sentence. Examples: swimming is fun. Swimming equals noun. Reading improves knowledge. Reading equals noun.